Hello everyone, I am Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today we are discuss about the topic that is Reserve Bank of India and its role. List of content: RBI history, needs for RBI, function of RBI, non-monetary function of RBI, monetary function of RBI. Reserve Bank of India, the central bank of country, Reserve Bank of India. RBI, established in 1935 in April in a share capital of 5 crore on the basis of the recommendation of the Young Commission. The share capital was divided into the share of 100 each fully paid up, which were the entire owned by the private shareholder in beginning. The government held the share of nominal value of 2,20,000. Reserve Bank of India was nationalized in the year 1949. Number of members of Central Board of 20, including the governor and 4 deputy governor. Need for the Reserve Bank of India. The Reserve Bank of India Act 1934 was commercial on April 1935. The Act 1934, 2nd of 1934, providing the statutory basis of the functioning of the banks. The banks are constituted for the need from the following. First one, regulate the issue of banknotes. Second one, to maintain reserve within a view to security, monetary stability, and operate the credit and currency system the country in its advantage. Function of Reserve Bank of India. The Reserve Bank of India Act 1934 contain all important function of a central bank on the Reserve Bank of India. First one, bank of issue. Under the section 22, the Reserve Bank of India Act, in the banks has been sole right of the issue can be all domination banker to government. The second important function of the Reserve Bank of India is to act in the government banker, agent and advisor. RBI carry out the banking operation like to reserve and bank payment, carry cash reserve for all governmental except Jammu and Kashmir Act advised to government all monetary and banking. Third one, bankers. Bank to lender to last resort. The scheduled bank can be borrowed from the Reserve Bank of India on the basis of the eligibility security or get financial recommendation in the needed of the strategic. Bank have been asked to keep the cash reserve ratio equal to 3% of the aggregative deposit liability. Function of Reserve Bank of India. Next, controller of creditor. The Reserve Bank of India in the control of creditor, it has the power to influence the volume of credit created by the bank in India. It can be do pseudo change than the bank rate and the through of open market and operational control of money marketing. The Reserve Bank of India is armed with the many more power of the control and the Indian market. And last, custodian of the foreign exchange reserve. Besides maintaining of the rate of exchange of the rupees, the Reserve Bank has the act as be the custodian of Indian reserve of international currencies. First one, traditional function like monopoly of currency notes. Second one, banker the government, both of the center and state. Third one, agent and advisor to the government. Fourth one, banks. Fifth one, acts as the clearing house of the country. Lender of the last report, BPR. Custodian of the foreign exchange reserve, maintain the external value of the domestic currency, control of forex and credit policy, ensure the internal value of the currency and publish the economical statistical data, and last one, fight agent against economic crisis and the ensure stability in economics. Second one, promotional function. First one, promotional of banking habits and expansion of the banking system, providing reference over the export promotional EPCG. Expansion of the facilitate for the provisions for the agriculture credit through the NABARD. NABARD Bank, National Agriculture Bank of Research and Development in India 1986. Expansion of the facility for small scale industry. And fifth one, have the cooperative sectors. And sixth, prescribe the minimum statutory requirement SCR ratio. And last one, inventing of the new banking business transactions. Third one, supervisory function. First one, granting of the license to bank. Second one, inspecting and the making inquiry or determining position in the respect of the matter under the various sections of the RBI and Banking Regulation Act 1949. Third one, periodic and the review of the work of the commercial bank. And fifth one, giving the derivatives to commercial banks. And fifth one, control the non-banking financial corporation. And last one, ensuring the health of the financing system throughout and the offsetting verification. Non-monetary function role of the supervisor. RBI enjoy wide the power of the supervision and control over the commercial and cooperative banks related to the first one, licensing and establishment. Second one, branch expansion. Third one, liquidity of their assets. Fourth one, management and method of working. Next, amalgamations, reconstructions and liquidation. The RBI authorized to carry out periodic inspection and banks and to call for the return of necessary information for them. Promotional function. The major function of the Reserve Bank is to promote banking habit extension and banking facility to rural and semi-urban area. They are established and promote new specialization function agencies. Accordingly, the Reserve Bank has helping in the setting up the FCIC, SFS, Deposit Insurance Corporation in 1962, Unit Trust of India in 1962, for Industrial Development Bank, IDB, Bank of India in 1694. Thank you.